Hi, sixth graders, welcome back. As you learned in the last unit, we are talking about measure of center. Given a data set, a set of numbers collected from getting information, we're looking for a measure of the center of the value. So last lesson, we talked about the mean, which was the average, when you take all the numbers and you add them up and divide by how many numbers you have. Today, it's all about the median. The median is the exact middle. Once all the data values are in order from least to greatest. So the less work involved today, the only work we really have is to make sure our numbers are in order from least to greatest, and then we can find the exact middle. So example 1 says, what is the median of this data set? So we have all these numbers here, and we can count up how many numbers we have if we wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. And our job is to find the middle. So my first job is going to be to put them in order. So I want to look through my list. Okay, 4 is my smallest. So my little trick to make sure I don't miss a number or double count a number, there's two things. When I put them in order, I'm going to put a 4, which is the lowest number on my list, below the first number. And then I'm going to cross it out. I rewrote it. The next lowest number is a 7, so that goes under the second one, and then I cross it out. Let's see, after 7, it looks like 11 is my next lowest, and see how I have it under the third one, followed by 14, then 17 and 18, then 20, 22, and 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers, just like I had 9 numbers when I counted in the beginning. So I have all my numbers. They're all there. Now they're least to greatest. So our job is to find the exact middle. So what I like to do is kind of pair them up, going from the outside all the way to the inside. So this 4 is going to partner up with the 25. And then the next lowest with the next highest, 7 partners up with 22. 11 will partner up with 20 because it's the third in and the third in. And then 14 will pair up with 18. Hey, look what's left in the middle. There's your median. Once the numbers are in order from least to greatest, it's the exact middle. That's the median, which equals 17. Okay. So let's try that with another data set here. In example 2, it's just, I don't know where these numbers came from. It's just, let's find the median or the middle of these numbers that we have. So step 1 for median, I need to put them in order. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So what is my smallest number? Looks like 35 is my smallest number, followed by 37. And again, notice how I'm crossing them off as I'm rewriting them, and I'm kind of trying to line them up so I'm nice and organized and I can see I have all my numbers. After 37 would be 41, and then I see 42 right after that, 46, 48, and then 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all my numbers are there. So the median is the middle after I put them in order from least to greatest. So again, I'm going to take this lowest, 35, partner it with 50. Then I'm going to take 37, the second lowest, with the second highest, 48. They partner off. And then I have 41 partnered with 46. And then 42 is left in the middle. So again, the median is the middle when I put them in order from least to greatest. So the median for this data set is 42. Now you may have noticed that in both example 1 and example 2, I had an odd number of values. So somebody was left out in the middle that didn't have a partner. This next one is going to change up just a little bit. We're still going to find the median. What's the median of the data set? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. So my lowest number is 12. So step 1 for median is put the numbers in order. Followed by 14. Looks like I have 2 14s in there. Then I have 18. And if I look around after 18, I have 22. And 26 and 27. Followed by 30, 32, and lastly 37. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 numbers in order from least to greatest. So to find the median, I'm going to start at the two ends, partner them up, cancel them out until I get to the middle. So 12 and 37 will partner up. 14 with 32. The other 14 with 30. 18 will partner up with 27, and look at 22 and 26 would partner up, but then there's no numbers left. So this is another case with the median. The median is in between these two numbers, or the last two set of partners. Everybody else partnered up in the middle. These two partner up. So the exact middle is in between those two. So how do I find the median between this set of partners? Well, it's simple. We're going to find the mean of the two numbers. We're going to add up 22 and 26, and then we're going to divide them both by 2. So if I add 22 and 26, let's see, if I add 2 ones and 6 ones, that's 8 ones, and 2 tens plus 2 tens is 4 tens, so that's 48. Or I can just grab a calculator. And I'm going to divide that by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. So halfway between 22 and 26 is 24. So the median in this case is 24. So the median, just like the mean, doesn't have to be one of the exact numbers in the list. It doesn't have to be an exact number. It's not in number 3, it was in number 2, and it was in number 1. So the median, when I don't have a number left over, as I find the middle, the mean of the two numbers left in the middle. So this guy had an exact number in the middle. This one also had an exact number in the middle. But sometimes when there's an even number of values, everybody's going to have a partner. So the partners left in the middle, I find the mean. Add them up, divide by 2. All right, so now it is your turn to try out 2 questions to find the median. Good luck, and I'll check back in.